Let's now have a look at Group B determiners, quantifiers. A quantifier is a word or phrase which is used before a noun to indicate the amount or quantity. Quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun is something we can count. It has both singular and plural form. An uncountable noun is something that we can't count. It has no plural form. We need quantifiers to count or measure them. Quantifiers are determiners. They are adjectives or phrases that search to answer two possible questions. How many, how much. We can use how many for countable nouns and how much for uncountable nouns. Let's see some important quantifiers. First quantifier, some. Some is generally used in affirmative sentences. Some, when used with nouns to represent things that can be counted, which means a few or a small number. For example, I have bought some books. Here, books can be counted, so we call it a countable noun. And the determiner that precedes it is some. Some, when used with a singular noun to represent something that cannot be counted, which means a little or a small quantity. For example, there is some coffee in the kettle. Here, the noun coffee cannot be counted, and thus we have to consider that there is a small quantity of coffee in the kettle. Next, we can have much and many. Many means a great number. It is used with countable nouns. For example, many people went to greet him. Here, the determiner many precedes the noun people, which can be counted. Next, many is used in interrogative and negative sentences with plural countable nouns. Look at the example. How many flowers do you need? Here, many is used in an interrogative sentence. There aren't many oranges left. Here, many is used in a negative sentence. Next, much. Much means a large quantity. It is used with uncountable nouns. For example, the carpenter has much work in hand. In the same way, much is used mainly in interrogative and negative sentences with uncountable nouns. For example, how much milk do you want? Here, much is used in an interrogative sentence. I don't have much time left. I need to go. Here, much is used in a negative sentence. The next set of quantifiers are few, a few. Few means hardly any. Example, he is a man of few words. Here in this example, few, it means he hardly uses words. Hardly means rarely. A few means a small number. For example, I have a few friends in London. In the given example, a few is the determiner, which means a small number of friends. So, we can consider that I have a small number of friends in London. Let's see the difference between a few and few. There are a few apples on the table, which means not many but enough. There are few apples on the table, which means not enough or hardly enough. The next set of determiners are little, a little. Little means hardly any. For example, there is little sugar left in the pot, which means hardly any sugar left in the pot. A little means some, though not much. For example, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. So, a little refers to some knowledge. A little is used usually in affirmative sentences with uncountable nouns. Let us see a few more examples. They had a little money left, so they went out for a meal. They save a little money every week. Do remember, children, a little mean not any, but enough. Example, I have a little time left to talk to you. Little means not enough or hardly any. For example, she has little time to catch the bus. A lot of and lots of is used in affirmative sentences with uncountable and plural countable nouns. For example, they have had a lot of fun. Here, fun cannot be counted. Next, there are lots of carrots on the table. So, here carrots are plural countable nouns. Next determiner is any. We use any in plural countable and uncountable nouns. We normally use any with negative and interrogative sentences. For example, there aren't any vegetables on the table. He does not have any money. Is there any milk? Next determiner is no. No. We use no in a plural countable and uncountable nouns. We normally use no with the positive sentences. For example, I have no friends. There is no milk in the fridge. There are no biscuits in the box. Do the assignments given in the PDF file. Thank you, children.